3 reasons why your ex comes back to you. When a relationship comes to an end, it is women who, in most cases, suffer the departure of the person they love the most. Women spend a long period thinking and analyzing things, even making it very difficult to close the possibility of returning with their ex. When they are in the process of overcoming the pain, he reappears, seeks them and confuses them completely. What happened? Has he reflected? Will he have noticed the woman he lost? There are many questions that invade your head, but the reality is that your ex is looking for impulsive reasons. Here we leave the most common reasons why your ex comes back to you. But before we continue with the video, let me remind you to click on the top right of this video, and download my free ebooks. So, let's go on with this video. 1. The custom. He misses being able to organize his times by including you in them. Sometimes he feels bored and alone. The new feeling of single man scares him, and when people feel afraid they turn to whoever offers security and who is better than you. Sometimes he feels bored and alone. The new feeling of single man scares him, and when people feel afraid they turn to whoever offers security. A man's routine changes completely when he is alone. He is confused and disoriented in his new reality. That is why he thinks about the possibility of returning to you. It seems very difficult to continue without you. And who is better than you? 2. For convenience. It is obvious that after a time of the relationship, you already know his flaws and manias almost to perfection. Men, when in a relationship, lose the ability to conquer a girl and gives them a kind of insecurity to start from scratch. You are the woman who already knows him in every sense. Next to you, he no longer needed to hide his defects or bad habits. That comfort that he felt with you makes him hesitate to leave you completely, but that is not loving. Don't forget to click on the top right of this video and download my free ebooks. 3. He is confused. The 2 previous points cause him to enter into a sea of ideas that confuse him completely. He is constantly evaluating the best for him, but in your last attempt to resume the relationship, be sure that he will walk away because he does not really know what he wants. Regardless of who made the decision to separate, do not look for him. When men really want something, they never let it go. If he has already let you go, if he comes back to you, it is by simple custom or comfort. Let us know your opinions in the comments section below. Source: http://www.whatthegirl.com. To learn more about 3 reasons why your ex comes back to you, please subscribe to this channel, share this video with others, like it, and download the book free by clicking the image at the end of this video or the link in the description below.